Welcome to Hitch Tutorials. This is our 8.5 by 20 tandem Lark trailer. The V-nose is another 18 inches beyond the length. This trailer is 84 inches high, has 16-inch on-center floor cross members and wall members, has a Barnett door with flush door mount, hidden hinges, and an RV latch with an arm bar. It has a 2,000-pound frame jack, takes a 2 5/16 coupler, has a 36-inch side door with a door hold back. It's made out of aluminum metal with a screwed exterior, 3/4-inch plywood floors and 3/8 walls, 12-volt LED dome light, side door handles, aluminum ramp door handle. It comes with 205 75 15 radials on steel wheels, 4 5,000-pound D-rings, Gavaloom roof, aluminum fenders, ATP V-nose, wire and brace for AC, 24-inch stone guard, tandem 3,500-pound drop leaf spring axles with electric brakes and emergency breakaway, easy loop hubs, 7-way plug, no-show beaver tail, and heavy-duty rear ramp. 16-inch ramp flap on the rear, all LEDs, and a 5-year warranty. Please log on to 918trailers.com to see all our inventory. Thanks for joining us.